Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Wikigen, hub of crazy knowledge. Money, money, money. Everywhere money. Money is the most liquid asset because it is universally recognized and accepted as the common currency. There is no man on earth who doesn't know about money. Friends, do you know who are the top 10 richest persons in the world of the year 2020? To know the answer for this question, you need to see this video without skipping it. So without any delay, let's get into our topic.
10th. S. Robson Walton. After a deadly mass shooting at one of its stores, Walmart said in September 2019 it would limit ammunition sales and discourage open carry of guns. He has a younger brother, Jim Walton, and a younger sister, Alice Walton. Another brother, John Walton, died in 2005. Walton was graduated from the University of Arkansas in 1966 with a Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration. Walton is also a trustee at the College of Wooster. After graduation, Walton became a member of the law firm that represented Walmart. Now, Samuel Rob Walton has a real-time net worth of 62 billion, which means in Indian currency 464 crores 23 lakhs 39,900 Indian rupees.
9th. Alice Walton.
Alice Louisa Walton is an American heiress to the fortune of Walmart. She is the sister of S. Robson Walton, Jim Walton, and the late John T. Walton. Alice Walton was born in Newport, Arkansas. She was raised along with her three brothers in Bentonville, Arkansas, and graduated from Bentonville HS in 1966. She graduated from Trinity University in San Antonio, Texas, with a BA in economics. Alice Walton is the only daughter of Walmart founder Sam Walton. She has focused on curating art rather than working for Walmart. In 2011, she opened the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in her hometown Bentonville. Crystal Bridges features work from the likes of Andy Warhol, Norman Rockwell, and Marc Rackhouel. She and brother Jim are spending $300 million to help schools in facilities. In September 2016, she owned over $11 billion in Walmart shares. As of May 2020, she was ranked as the ninth richest person in the world and the richest woman in the world with an expected net worth of $56 billion. As of July 2020, according to Forbes magazine, Alice Walton was ranked 11th in Forbes 400 at an estimated net worth of $62 billion. 8th. Larry Page. Larry Page was born on March 26, 1973 in Lansing. His mother is a Jewish. His maternal grandfather later made Aliyah to Israel. Page, however, had declared no formal religion. Lawrence Edward Page is an American computer scientist and internet entrepreneur. He is best known as one of the co-founders of Google. Page was the Chief Executive Officer (CEO) of Google from 1998 until August 2001. Then from April 2011 until July 2015 when he moved to become CEO of Alphabet, a post he held until December 4, 2019. He remains as an Alphabet board member, employee and controlling shareholder. Creating Google built a large amount of wealth for him. Forbes placed him 10th in the list of billionaires 2019, and as of July 2020, Page was the 8th richest person in the world. Page is the co-inventor and namesake of PageRank, a search ranking algorithm for Google. Page received the Marconi Prize in 2004 with co-writer Brin. Currently, he has a wealth of $71 billion, which made him the 8th richest person in the world. 7th. Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Elliott Zuckerberg is an American media magnate and philanthropist. He is known for co-founding Facebook and serves as its chairman, CEO and controlling shareholder. He also is a co-founder of the Solar Spacecraft Development Project Breakthrough Starshot and serves as one of its board members.
Born in White Plains, New York, Zuckerberg attended Harvard University when he launched the Facebook social network service from his dormitory room on February 4, 2004 with college roommates. Have you ever observed that why only Facebook is in blue in color? If you know the answer, comment me below. It is because Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg has color blindness, which leads him not to see red and green colors. So while designing Facebook logo, he used the blue color. The site expanded rapidly and eventually beyond colleges, reaching 1 billion users by 2012. Zuckerberg took the company public in May 2012 with majority shares. In 2007, at the age of 23, he became the world's youngest self-made billionaire. As of August 8, 2020, Zuckerberg's net worth was 98 billion.
Sixth, Amancio Ortega. Amenico Ortega was born on 28 March 1936 in Europe. Amenico Ortega is a Spanish billionaire businessman. He is the founder and former chairman of Inditex Fashion Group, best known for its chain of Zara clothing. Amenico Ortega is one of the richest men in Europe and the wealthiest clothing retailer in the world. He co-founded Inditex, known for its Zara fashion chain. In 1972, he co-founded Confessions Goa to sell coiled bathrobes. In 2009, Zara was part of Inditex Group, of which Ortega owned 59.29%, and aside from 6,000 stores includes the Zara brand. Ortega has a net worth of 68 billion, making him the second wealthiest person in Europe and the sixth wealthiest person in the world. Fifth, Larry Ellison. Lawrence Joseph Ellison is an American business magnate, investor, and philanthropist who is the co-founder and the executive chairman and CTO of Oracle Corporation. Larry Ellison was born in New York City to an unwed Jewish mother. Ellison attended South Shore High School in Chicago and later was admitted to University of Illinois at Urbana. He was enrolled as a pre-med student. After spending the summer of 1966 in California, he then attended the University of Chicago for one term studying physics and math. He did not give any exams, and at Chicago, he first encountered computer design in 1966. Aged 22, he moved to Berkeley, California. As of June 2020, he was listed by Forbes magazine as the fourth wealthiest person in the United States and as the fifth wealthiest person in the world, with a fortune of 69 billion, increased from 54 billion in 2018. Fourth, Mukesh Ambani.
Mukesh Ambani was born on 19th April 1957 in the British Crown colony of Eden to Dhirubhai Ambani and Kokilaben Ambani. He has a younger brother Anil Ambani and two sisters Hina Badra Sham and Deepthi Dattaraj.
Mukesh Ambani is an Indian billionaire business magnate and the chairman, managing director and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited. It is a Fortune Global 500 company and India's most valuable company by market value.
Ambani attended the High Range High School at Pedda Road, Mumbai, along with his brother and Anand Jain, who later became his closest associate. After his secondary schooling, he studied at the St. Xavier College, Mumbai. He then received a BE degree in chemical engineering from the Institute of Chemical Technology. In 1981, he started to help his father Dhirubhai Ambani run their family business, Reliance Industries Limited. By this time, it had really expanded so that it also dealt in refining and petrochemicals.
The business also includes products and services in retail and telecommunication industries. Reliance Retail Limited is also the largest retailer in India. Reliance Jio has earned a top 5 spot in the country's telecommunication services since its public launch on 5th September 2016. He is currently the richest man in Asia with a net worth of 81 billion, and as of 28th July 2020, he is listed on Forbes magazine as the fourth richest person in the world. Third, Warren Buffett.
Warren Edward Buffett is an American investor, business tycoon, and philanthropist. He is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway Company. Buffett was born in Omaha, Nebraska. He developed an interest in business and investing in his youth, eventually entering the Wharton School of University of Pennsylvania in 1947 before transferring and graduating from the University of Nebraska at the age of 19. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of all time. Buffett runs Berkshire Hathaway Company, which owns more than 60 companies including battery maker Duracell and restaurant chain Dairy Queen. As the son of a US congressman, he first bought stock at age 11 and first filed taxes at age 13. He has a net worth of 71 billion as of July 2020, making him the third wealthiest person in the world.
Second, Bill Gates.
William Henry Gates is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of chairman, chief executive officer, president, and chief software architect, while also being the largest individual shareholder until May 2014. He is one of the best-known entrepreneurs and pioneers of the microcomputer revolution of the 1970s and 1980s. With his wife Melinda, Bill Gates chairs the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, the world's largest private charitable foundation. In May 2020, the Gates Foundation said it would spend $300 million to fight the coronavirus pandemic, funding treatment, detection, and vaccines. Bill Gates has sold much of his stake in Microsoft. He owns just over 1% of his shares and invested in a mix of stocks and other assets. Currently, he is regarded by the Forbes magazine as the world's second richest person in the world with a net worth of $92 billion.
First, Jeff Bezos.
Jeffrey Preston Bezos is an American industrialist, media proprietor, and investor. He is best known as the founder, CEO, and president of the multinational technology company Amazon. The first centi-billionaire on the Forbes Wealth Index, Bezos has been the world's richest person since 2017 and was named as the richest man in modern history after his net worth increased to $150 billion in July 2018. Bezos graduated from Princeton University in 1986 with a degree in electrical engineering and computer science. He worked on Wall Street in a variety of related fields from 1986 to early 1994. The company began as an online bookstore and have since expanded to a wide variety of other e-commerce products and services, including video and audio streaming. It is currently the world's largest online sales company, the largest internet company by revenue, and the world's largest provider of virtual assistants and cloud infrastructure services through its Amazon Web Services branch. It is said that in the wealth of Jeff Bezos, if a man lives for 100 years with spending $1 million every day, it will be only a quarter part in the wealth of Bezos because he has a net worth of $113 billion, which made him the world's richest person.
Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share and comment. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Vicky signing off. Bye bye.